And so, hi guys! It's our vlogging again! Vlogging! So, we're here to the jogging part. So, we can see this something square here. I think it's a end line. And what else? End line, what else? And here, we have blueberries here. Red berries. I mean, red flower, not red berry. Red flower! Oh my god! This red flower can be it. You just get this.
What?
Get this one. Get this one here. Get this one and then suyup it and it's like water. And it's like something sweet like that. And it's like this. And it's sweet. Actually, we are just needing to get this one. This one, guys. This small one. Just need to get suyup. And it's lami-lami. Let's go to the other part. And we have a coconut tree here. Like this, guys. This is a kalamunggay. No, it's not kalamunggay. It's like frosting. I don't know what is the called of this. I don't know what is the called of this.
What?
Some lighter is here. A lighter. It's not siga-siga because it's full of water. A lighter in a water. A water in a lighter like that. And we have, alam guys, okay, musiga pa siya guys. So, ilang kayo siya musiga kay adlaw, mugod karon. Mas hayag ang adlaw guys, bakit sa lighter. So, di ba we know that. Okay na lang siyang galon sa balay guys. Okay na siya. Ambot di siya tagyan eh. Thank you na lang daan. Guys, we have this small pader. As you can see, Mama is jogging over there. Mama jogging here. Mama, look at the vlog. Look, Mama is looking at me. Mama, say hi. I'm vlogging here. Vlogging here with my phone case. And Mama, say hi, Mama. And that's all, guys. Bye-bye.